All right, Algebra 1, we're working on 9-4. We're working with the addition and subtraction method, which we're going to get a little bit more into this. I'm just going to make this a very quick lesson. The addition and subtraction method. Can you use addition or subtraction to solve systems of linear equations? So we're still solving systems, and you'll love this method. Let's take a look at example 1. Remember, we're looking for an ordered pair. And if I add down here, what happens with my y's? They just cancel out. So when I add 1x to 1x, I get 2x. When I add 14 to 4, I get 18. So we know that x is equal to 9. Well, remember, all we do is take that 9 and plug it back into an original. So I just plug it in at the top. 9 plus what is going to give me 14, and I know that that y has to be 5. So this ordered pair, 9 and 5, should fulfill both this top right here, x plus y equals 14, 9 plus 5 is 14, and this bottom, 9 minus y is 4. We'll look at one more. They set these up very nicely for us. It looks like if I switched all the signs of example 2 on the bottom, then it looks like my r's would cancel out. Where I have 2s minus s is just 1s, and we know that 2 minus 7 is negative 5. So I know that s is equal to negative 5. We're going to take that negative 5, and you know what? I think I'm going to plug it back into the original at the bottom here. 3 times what plus, well, s was negative 5 equals 7. Well, I know when I add this 5 over to each side, 3 times what is equal to 12, and when I divide each side by 3, r is equal to 4. So the ordered pair for negative 5 should fulfill both the top and the bottom. And it's always a good idea to check. So I'm just going to check 3 times 4 plus 2 times negative 5 is equal to 2. Is 12 minus 10 equal to 2? It is.